Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. Alright, so looking at this HyperTough HT100 automotive code reader. If you guys have this, like, drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether it's a decent pickup or not. So 1 year limited warranty, reads basic vehicles, pairs with repair solutions to app for fixes and parts. I gotta tell you, I actually did a review on this. It wasn't too great because you didn't see too much on the screen, but I guess if you actually pair with the app, it'll just work pretty decent. Granted, it's 1984. It's the cheapest OBD2 that you can get from any store, like any store. All right, you go into Harbor Freight and the cheapest is like 50 bucks or something like that, and it doesn't really do much. Now, I didn't give this a positive review because when I plugged it in, I really didn't see too much on the screen. But I guess if you guys have the app and you guys use it with the app, maybe it's now I'm looking at this, right? This is the HT100. It says displayed code definition in app. Everything else is not in app. So I didn't use the app for this. If you guys have used the app, and I've seen a couple of people who actually said that they downloaded the app and they used this with the app, and they said that this was a decent OBD2 scanner. But to be honest with you, this is just an update for me. If you guys have this and you guys think that this is worth $19.84, definitely like leave a comment in the comments section. Probably get like a better deal on Amazon or something like that with another OBD2 scanner that actually gives you a better readout without actually having to download the app. But in any case, I actually did do a review on it. I check out the review on my channel if you guys want to check it out. I actually did go through. The problem with this is, do you see how clear this is? Now, when I was using it, it wasn't very clear. Now, it was a sunny day out, but none of this stuff was clear. I mean, it did actually pick up whatever code I had, and when I used this, I think it was on my my Tahoe. I think it did pick up the code. I think I was able to erase it or something like that, but wasn't really able to do much with it outside of that, and it was hard seeing it. But I did have a couple of people tell me that I was wrong. This is decent, blah blah blah. I don't know. You know what? I know what I know. I don't know what you guys know, but I know what I know, and it wasn't very good. Now, I guess if you need this in a jam, it's $19.84. This is the cheapest you can find. If you need this in a jam, if you need to read a code in a jam, you could drive to somewhere, go to AutoZone, they'll do it for free. They can't erase the code, but they'll have an OBD2 scanner. You plug it in. Now, if you're getting this for $19.84 and you're using this as your main OBD2 scanner for future stuff, to be honest with you, I wouldn't use this. This is not something that I would use as far as this is concerned. For that, I'd like go and get one from Amazon, one of the ones that I've reviewed, and it might help you guys out a lot better than this. But in any case, leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe, please give a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.